If you want to extend the life of your full factory finished Accoya wooden windows and doors, caring for them in the right way is both simple and important. The Accoya wood in your window or door is highly durable, stable, and resistant to decay. And with just a little regular care, you can easily maintain and extend the integrity and appearance of the coating too, keeping them looking their best for longer. A few minutes with a care and cleaning kit from your coating manufacturer, you can restore the cosmetic appearance and uniformity of the finish, extending the life of the coating and meaning less frequent repainting. Recommendations for keeping your Accoya windows and door looking pristine for longer include: Step 1. Contact your coating manufacturer or the joining manufacturer where you purchased your Accoya doors or windows for expert advice, and to purchase the right care and cleaning kit for your needs. These kits will contain a concentrated cleaning agent and a water-based restoration product, along with a cleaning and care cloth and all the instructions you need to get the best results. Step 2. Wash down the window or door with clean water to remove any dirt or dust. Step 3. Apply the cleaning agent using a brush, sponge, or cloth, and gentle start to clean your window or door. Step 4. Once clean, it is important to then rinse the surface thoroughly with clean water, as some cleaning products may contain ammonia. Step 5. Apply the water-based care product to restore the coating on your Accoya wood. No dilution is normally needed. It is recommended that you clean your Accoya windows and doors twice a year, ideally just before the sun and the heat of summer, and again before the rain and cold of winter. For further coatings applications and maintenance guidance, please see the downloadable care guide on Accoya.com.